Hi all. So let's solve this question. In this question some statements are given to you and we need to write the statements into quantificational logic. So these four English statements are given to us. We need to convert them into first order logic expressions. These predicates are given to us. Sx means x is a student, hx means x is happy, and the universe is set of all people. Okay, so now let's see one by one. The first statement, this is saying every student is happy. Okay, remember the domain is set of all people in the world. This is the domain, the set of all people in the world, and we are saying that every student is happy. So I can say that if you are a student, then you are happy. So for all people in the world, for all people I can say if they are a student, then they are happy. Okay, if x is a student, then x is happy. Very simple. So this is a standard template. Every student is happy means for all people I can say, for all x in the domain, for all people I can say if they are a student, then they are happy. Means every student is happy. So this is the idea. So this is your statement A. What is statement B? This is not every student is happy. Not every student is happy. Okay, so remember this is negation of A. We are saying every student is happy, and here we are saying not every student is happy. So I can say this is like negation of every student is happy. This is the negation of every student is happy. Very simple. Remember in this statement, this is your option A, this is your statement A. So notice here we are saying every student is happy, and here we are saying not every student is happy. Means this B is negation of A. So that is what I am saying. So finally I can say this B, what is this B? This is negation of A. And what is A? This we have already seen. A is this. A means for all x you are saying that if it is a student, then he is happy. If x is a student, then x is happy. So this is how you can write. This is your option B. Or what you can do, you can put this negation inside. So you can do the quantification negation. So here what you can do, this negation of quantifier you can do. So this negation you can take inside. If you take this negation inside, then this universal quantifier will become existential quantifier. So it will become like there exists x, negation of s implies h. What is that? Negation of s implies h. Remember what is s implies h? That is nothing but s negation or h. What is the negation of that? If I do negation of s implies h, that will be negation of this statement. You can apply the De Morgan formula, so you will get s and negation h. So remember, negation of s implies h, that will be s and negation of h. So this is what you can write here. So I can say there exists x. After this there exists x, you can write that you can write this s and negation h. Means there exists someone who is a student and who is not happy. Okay, so this is how you can write. So very simple. If you got this answer, this is also correct. If you got this answer, this is also correct. See, let's see this one more time. This statement B, we are saying not every student is happy. Okay, not every student is happy. That is same as there is some student who is unhappy. Okay, it simply means there is some student is not happy. There is some student who is not happy, right? Because we are saying not every student is happy. It's not true that every student is happy. It's not true. So it simply means that there is some student who is unhappy. And that is very simple. Some student is unhappy means there is someone who is a student also and who is not happy. Okay, so this is how you can write. So remember, this is the same thing. Remember this same expression we got here also. Okay, so either you can do like this, that not every student is happy means this is negation of every student is happy. So negation of this means every student is happy. So if you put this negation inside, then if you do the quantification, the negation of quantifier if you do, then this for all will become there exists x, sx and negation x and negation hx. This same thing we are getting here also. So this is very logical that not every student is happy means there is some student who is not happy. There is someone who is a student and who is not happy. Now let's see the next one. Now we are saying no student is happy. Okay, no student is happy means for everyone you are saying that they are not happy. Okay, so what we are saying that for everyone, remember, for every student I am saying that they are not happy. For every student I am saying they are not happy. Or I can say for every x I am saying that if they are a student then they are not happy. Okay, if x is a student then x is not happy. So this is the idea. See, read this question. We are saying no student is happy. Means for everyone I am saying if you are a student then you are not happy. Okay, so how to write this? Very simple. For everyone I am saying that if you are a student then you are not happy. Okay, so this is your answer for this question. Or what you can do, no student is happy, that simply means there is no student who is happy, means it is not true. This means negation of some student is happy. This is negation of some student is happy, right? See, we are saying some student is happy. What is the negation? In this we are saying at least one student is happy. At least one student is happy. What is the negation? Negation means no student is happy. So I can say no student is happy. That is same as negation of some student is happy. Some student is happy means there is some student, there is some x who is student also and who is happy also. Okay, so if you get this answer, this is also correct. This answer is also correct. Or what you can do, see, this same statement I can write like this. No student is happy means there does not exist any student, any happy student. I can say that there does not exist. Okay, no student is happy means there does not exist any happy student. There does not exist any happy student, right? There does not exist any happy student. Now, this there does not exist. How to write this? There does not exist. This you can write as negation there exists x. Okay, there does not exist, right? There does not exist means negation of there exist. There does not exist any happy student. So that means there does not exist any student, anyone who is happy also and who is a student also. So this same answer we got here. If you notice, this same expression we got here. So very simple. The same statement you can understand in many different ways. No student is happy. You can understand like this, that for everyone I am saying if you are a student then you are unhappy. So either you can understand like this, or you can understand like this, that this is negation of no student is happy, that is negation of some student is happy. Or you can understand like this, that there does not exist any happy student, means there does not exist anyone who is happy and who is a student. So this is your option C. This is the statement C. Now let's see statement D. Let's see the translation of statement D. So let's see the statement D. There are exactly two unhappy people. Exactly two unhappy people means not more than two, not less than two. There are exactly two unhappy people and at least one of them is a student. So this is what we need to see. Before we write this statement, let's first write only this much, that there are exactly two unhappy people. Let's convert this one. Okay, so let's convert this one. There are exactly two unhappy people means not more than two, not less than two. There are exactly two unhappy people. So how to write this? Very simple. It simply means that there exists x, there exists y, they are unhappy. X is also unhappy, y is also unhappy. Okay, remember there are exactly two people who are unhappy, means not more than two, not less than two. You have exactly two unhappy people means, so there exists x, there exists y. They must be different, right? They must be different people. X and y are different people such that x is also not happy and y is also not happy. Okay, so this is the point. So I can say there exists x, there exists y such that x and y are different, and we are saying x is not happy and y is not happy. But this is not enough, because we want that exactly two unhappy people should be there, means not more than that. Okay, so what should I do? Means if anyone else is unhappy, then that is same as x or y. Okay, so what I can do? I can say and I can say for all y, for all z I can say that if this z is unhappy, for all z I can say if this z is unhappy, if this z is unhappy, then this z is either same as x or this z is same as y. Now this z is either same as x or this z is the same as y. So this is the point. I hope you got it. See, we are saying there are exactly two unhappy people. Means not more than two, not less than two. Okay, so what we need to do, very simple. You have x comma y, let's make them unhappy. So this x is unhappy, y is unhappy. So there exists x, there exists y, such that they are different, because we want two unhappy people. Okay, so they must be different. So finally I can say that this x comma y are different, x is unhappy and y is unhappy, and the remaining people are happy. All the remaining people are happy, means I can say for all the remaining people, for all the z, if that is unhappy, if z is unhappy, then that z is either same as x or that z is same as y. So if z is unhappy, then z is same as x or z is same as y. Now in the original statement, so this statement we can easily write. Now in the original statement, what we have the same thing. There are exactly two unhappy people. We know how to write this. Now we also have one condition, at least one of them is student, means x comma y, at least one of them is student. So now you can easily write it. See, so let's make x comma y unhappy. There exists x, there exists y, there exists x, there exists y. Let's make them unhappy. I am making them unhappy. Okay, so exist x, there exists x, there exists y. They are unhappy, they are different. First of all, they must be different, means x is different from y, and x is unhappy, x is not happy, and y is unhappy, y is also not happy. And you can notice that at least one of them is a student. At least one of them is student, means what it means, that either x is student or y is student. At least one of them is a student. So I can say either x is student or y is student. And remember, and the same thing, remember the same thing, that for all z I can say that if they are unhappy, if this z is unhappy, then this z is either same as x or this z is same as y. This z is either same as x or this z is same as y. So this is the final expression that you will get. So let me just tell you one more time. So we want two unhappy people. Exactly two unhappy people we want. This is what we want. Okay, we want exactly two unhappy people. Unhappy people. This is what we want. Exactly two. So what I'm making x unhappy. I'm making y unhappy. They are different and they are unhappy. I'm making sure that this is also unhappy. This x is also unhappy, y is also unhappy, and x is not same as y. X is not same as y. Okay. So now what I can do, I can simply write that there exists x, there exists y, there are at least two people who are unhappy. Okay. And then what I'm doing, I am saying that they are different. X comma y are different and they are unhappy. X is also unhappy, y is also unhappy. Okay. And remember, this is also saying that at least one of them is student, means either x is student or y is student or both can be student. At least one of them is student. So I can simply say that either x is student or y is student. Either x is student or y is a student. Okay. And remember, and for all z I can say if they are unhappy, if this z is unhappy, then this must be either same as x or this must be same as y. Then in this situation, this z must be same as x or this z must be same as y. So this is the final statement. This is the final expression you will get for statement D. I hope you understood. So we have seen all the statement, all the four statement we have converted into first order logic expression. If you have any doubt, just put a comment. Okay. So don't keep any doubt. Whatever doubt you have, just put your doubt in the comment. I will answer your doubt. Okay, I will reply to your doubt, and please let me know, are you finding this daily practice sessions, are you finding them interesting, are they useful? So let me know.